This is exercise 9 in lesson 4-6, where we're asked to solve the equation. Once again, it is a rational equation, so our focus primarily initially needs to be on the denominators and what would be the least common denominator. Once again, clearly we have an x in two of those denominators, so there needs to be an x in our least common denominator. Of the numbers 4, 6, and 3, they all divide evenly into 12. So our least common denominator would be 12x. What is we're going to multiply every term in our equation. 12x. What that allows us to do is some canceling of denominators. 12x divided by 4x is 3. 12x divided by 6 is 2x. And 12x divided by 3x is 4. So now if we clean this up a bit, take 3 times 3 for our first term and we get 9. 5 times 2x for our second term and we get 10x. 4 times 4 for our last term and we get 16. And now it's just a matter of solving for x. Subtract 9 from both sides and we get 10x equals 7. And then of course the opposite of multiplying by 10 is dividing by 10. So we end up with x is equal to 7 over 10. If we substitute 7 over 10, or 0.7, in for every x in the original equation, we'll find that the two sides of the equal sign come out equal to one another.